Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty. Today's video is so exciting because I'm finally getting around to play with the Lunar Beauty MANNY MUA Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette. I have been so excited for this ever since he talked about it, ever since it came out. Like, I'm a huge MANNY MUA fan. I've been watching him since forever. He's one of the first beauty people I've ever watched. I literally have been watching him since, you know, his first couple videos, and it's just so exciting to see him come out with his own brand and for me to have it right in my hands right here. So I am going to talk about the palette, show you some swatches, and I'm going to play around with this on my eyes for the first time ever. This isn't technically a first impressions because I have swatched it, I have played around with it, but I haven't put it on my eyes or tried to create a look with it yet, so it's gonna be so exciting. I'm gonna stop rambling and get straight on into this video. All my social media and stuff will be in the down bar below. Like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff, and let's just hop right in. Okay, so starting off, this is the beautiful holographic packaging of the palette itself. These are MANNY MUA's eyes. And it's just so pretty. You can see my ring light, but it's this rainbow holographic with this beautiful drag makeup, and it says Life's a Drag. And on the back it says Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag color palette, and then all of his information right there, social media and stuff, and then all of the technical stuff. It also came in this beautiful rose gold and glitter gold little box, and it's so cute. And I loved it on the back because I just realized this today. He wrote this little like note saying how it's dedicated to all his subscribers and makeup lovers, and it has his little signature right there, so it's just so cute. Before I'm even gonna open this palette, I just wanted to talk about my first impressions when I received it in the mail. Now, this palette does retail for $45, and when I held this in my hands for the first time, I was like, what? It is so heavy and weighted, and it feels so luxurious and nice, and it's a hefty palette. It's probably like the heaviest palette I own, and I was just like, that is so nice that it has such a weight to it because it just feels like great quality. So now when you open up the palette, it looks like this. Ah, beautifulness. Do you see how gorgeous these colors are? It's just incredible how pretty this is. My first impressions of the colors and layout is that I love it. I love that you get this half, because if you really cover up all these colors, you get such a pretty neutral half of a palette, and it's just like, what more do you need than this? You have a white, a black, a warm and cool tone transition colors, and some deeper colors, and then you have two gorgeous metallic shades, and then of course you have all of these colors on the other half to play around with, to have fun with, to really step outside your comfort zone. I just really think that a lot of different people would get a lot of use out of this. So I am going to swatch it for you, and I'm just so excited because these shadows are just so nice, and I can't wait to see how they perform on my eyes. So the first shade is called Cake Face. I'm just gonna rub in there. Looks like this. And I'm just gonna swatch. It's gorgeous. It is swatching. The swatch might not be the best, but okay, I know it looks a little bit patchy, but it's actually super soft, and me just blending it and rubbing it in really like made it all smooth. The next shade is Sickening right here, and it is a warmer tone transition color, and it looks like this. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like this warm, peachy, just staple color everybody needs to have in their collection. The third shade of the top row is called Hunty, and this is a cooler tone transition color. It looks like this. Again, all these are swatching really nice. You kind of just have to smooth them out and then they look perfect. Moving on to the first metallic of the palette, it is called Beat, and it looks like it's this gorgeous icy pink, and it's gonna be so beautiful. Ready? Oh my gosh, that is so stunning. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We are now dipping into the first color of the palette, and this is called Campy, and it is a gorgeous bright yellow, and I'm gonna swatch it for you right here. Oh, that is so pretty, and it's so bright for a yellow. Moving on to the purple of the palette, it is Pageant Queen. Oh my gosh, and it's literally like butter. Oh my gosh. So this is the swatch right here. Wow, that is stunning. Moving on to one of the colors I'm most excited about, Kiki. I'm gonna rub again. Do you see that? And I'm just gonna swatch right below that. Oh, so pretty. Moving on to the second row, you have a black shade called Shady, and it looks unreal. Do you guys see that? Wow. I did wipe off those first swatches just to swatch the second row. That's insane. That is so nice, and it is blending out so pretty. Next we have another shade that I'm so excited about. It's called Trade, and it looks like this deep burgundy, reddish purple brown, and I'm just so excited for this. Bam. That is so pretty again. The next shade on the second row is called Mug, and it is a deep chocolate brown. It looks like that. Oh, that is so pretty. To the second metallic of the palette, you have Legendary, and it is a gorgeous gold color, and it looks like this. Oh, are you kidding? Like, my hand literally looks wet. Moving on to this gorgeous pink, which I'm also so excited for. It's called Kai Kai. Like, are you kidding? Have you ever seen such a gorgeous pink? Like, wow. Wow. It just blends to this gorgeous pink shade. I know my swatches are kind of looking rough. That's just because I have a lot of pigment right on the tip of my finger, and then when I swatch it kind of gets not chunky, but you guys can see when I swatch it. But once you blend it out, it becomes so pretty. And the next shade is a red, and it's called Snatched, and it looks amazing. So let me just swatch it for you. Wow. So yes, once you just warm it up a bit, it just becomes this gorgeous shadow, and I'm so excited. My swatches suck. The next shade is called Fishy, and it is this blue shade, and wow, oh my gosh. These colors make me so excited. Wow, that is so pretty. This is the second row. Now that these swatches are done, my first impressions on them is that every color feels really buttery and like creamy, like it's super soft. And I know that some of the swatches may have looked streaky or kind of patchy in a way, but once you kind of work into it, it was like a normal swatch. Because the colors are so soft, it had that kind of build up to it, and then like I just said, you just rub them out and blend them out, and it became this really soft eyeshadow. I'm gonna move right into the eye tutorial part of this video and play around with the colors on my actual eyes. That way you guys can see how they perform, how they pick up, and also how I can see it, because I have yet to put these on my eyes, and I'm just so excited to jump right into it. I zoomed you guys in quite a bit, and some thoughts that are going through my head as I look in this palette are I really am into the yellow and this Kiki color, and I'm kind of inspired to do a two-toned eye look. I've never done that, but Manny has been doing that a lot on himself, and it's just actually really inspiring, so I might do something that I've never done before and try to do something with that. You know what? I'm just gonna go for it and dip right into Campy, the yellow, and just pack that on my brush. There is some fallout, but that's okay. That don't bother me. Wow, I feel like you guys should be even more zoomed in. There we go. Move into the other eye. I'm gonna take Kiki right here. Is it called Kiki? Yes, this is the Kiki shade right here. And I'm gonna create the same shape and look as I did with Campy, but with Kiki on the other eye. Really quick, I'm going to cut the crease with my BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. Packing on the lid, I'm taking this beach shade right on my finger. I feel like the eyeshadow kind of needs more dimension, so I'm going to do something kind of scary, and I'm going to take Kai Kai, the hot pink of the palette, and put that right on the edge of that halo eye and kind of smoke it out a little bit. And I'm going to use that color for both of my eyes, so let's see what this does for us. I am at a level of where I am happy with it. So that is some of Kai Kai blended in just to give it more depth. And I'm going to use Kai Kai the same way on this eye. That's actually so crazy that I used that same Kai Kai color and it blended with the blue and made purple, and the way it blended with yellow and made this gorgeous corally peach shade. So the top of the eyeshadow is done. I'm going to go in, kind of clean it up some more. It's kind of all over the place, but so far I'm really happy with it and I think it looks really cool. I'm going to go finish my face and this eye look off camera. I will be back in 1 second to show you the final results and give my final opinions on the palette. Okay guys, I'm back with the finished makeup look. I feel like everything came together so nice and I'm just obsessed with how the makeup looks. And the eyeshadow is just so pretty and so different from anything that I do. I do like to play with color quite a lot, but to do it two-toned like this and use so many different colors, it's really up my alley. I love color so much and this palette is so nice for that. My overall thoughts on the Life's a Drag Lunar Beauty palette is that I'm freaking obsessed with it. I think it is so pretty and so nice, and that I think it should be a staple in everyone's collections because you have everything you could ever possibly need right here in this palette, and I'm just so excited to see what else MANNY comes out with, and I'm so happy for him. It's just so amazing to see a beauty influencer come out with such an amazing product because they just get it and they just understand what's good and what people want. I do highly recommend this product, and I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys soon. All my social will be down below, and that wraps up today's video. Bye guys!